guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you two apps that I'm using at the moment to edit my photos for Instagram and for YouTube. So the first app I use is called Facetune 2. So I'm going to zoom in, but first of all I'm going to smooth out underneath like where the eyes are, just in case, because as you can see there's quite a few lines. So I'm going to go to retouch, and then I'm going to go to smooth and just run my finger across there, just under my eyes, and you can see straight away it's just completely smoothed it out. And there you go. So I'm going to tick that. Then retouch again, and I'm going to go over to details. Okay, so I want to zoom in on the eyes, and I'm going to go to retouch and go over to details just to make them darker and appear fuller. So I'm just going to run my finger over my lashes, so I'm going to go over that one as well, and it just makes the eyeshadow pop and it makes the eye makeup look a lot more vibrant. And then I'm going to go to my Instagram. If you're not following me guys on Instagram, go and follow me. I'm going to go to add a new picture. So I'm going to go to that picture, and the filter that I use on my press and hold, old, new. So I love that filter. So that's the way I always edit my Instagram, with Facetune 2, and then I use that filter on Instagram itself. And that's what I do with my photos for Instagram. For YouTube, I love the app called PicsArt. Add filters, and it allows you to add little stickers as well. So let's use photo tools, and I'm going to brighten it up a bit. Then I'm going to go to text, something like whatever you want your text to be across your thumbnail. So fave products. Then you can work out what kind of font you want. So I'm going to go with Cutive Mono, which is one of the ones I use, to be honest. And you can place it wherever you want. Then I'm going to change the colour of it, so I'm probably going to go with like a yellow because of the background. And if you go to stroke, you can actually put like an outline around the wording, so it makes it stand out even more. And I'm going to go to stickers, and I'm just going to put in like beauty, and I'm probably going to grab, actually I'm going to grab that cute picture, I quite like that. And then you can spin it around, you can resize it, and you can place that wherever you want. So it's such a good app because you can do so many things, and with your thumbnails you do want them to stand out quite a lot. With my thumbnails I like to keep the same theme, so if I upload, people are going to know, ah, that's Melissa's video. So that's what I usually do for my thumbnails, and I just apply that, and you just save it to your camera roll. And I either send that to my PC and upload it through there, or I'll just go to the YouTube Studio app and put the thumbnail through there. So that's how I edit my Instagram photos and my YouTube thumbnails. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you're subscribed, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!